and welcome to Global Star. Today, we will be talking about soft skills, where these skills help you to excel in your personal and professional life. Soft skills refer to a set of personal qualities, habits, and behaviors that enable individuals to work effectively with others and succeed in the workplace. These skills are not specific to any particular job or industry but are applicable across a wide range of fields. Some common examples of soft skills include: Number 1. Communication, the ability to convey information clearly and effectively, both verbally and in writing. Number 2. Teamwork, the ability to work collaboratively with others to achieve a common goal. Number 3. Adaptability, the ability to adjust to new situations and to be flexible in response to changing circumstances. Number 4. Problem solving, the ability to analyze and solve complex problems using critical thinking and creativity. Number 5. Time management, the ability to prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, and meet deadlines. Number 6. Leadership, the ability to motivate, inspire, and guide others toward a common goal. Number 7. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as to empathize with and respond appropriately to the emotions of others. Soft skills are highly valued by employers, as they are essential for building strong working relationships and achieving success in the workplace. While technical skills and knowledge are important, soft skills are often what set top performers apart from their peers. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.